case anybody was wondering, I'm going to remove the door panel off this 1978 Lincoln Continental Town Car Edition. What I haven't done to it is I'm up here at the shop, and we have a dye guy here, and he is going to match this paint up. And you see how it's got these arm stains. This could be various things. It could be from dirt and oils from your arm, smoking inside the car. But anyways, you can see all this is kind of giving the car an aged appearance. Plus, there's a tear here, and it's been repaired there. So by the time they're done with this, this is going to look really good. So, you know, I look forward to making another video in the future to show how well it came out. So without further ado, let's hurry up and get this thing off so I can get out of here before it gets too hot. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to see here, right here at the top, at the left here, this is what controls the mirror. There's this cylindrical chrome piece around it, right? Lefty-loosey, start turning it to the left, okay? And it's going to unscrew like a screw. Okay, real easy, okay? Then there's a Phillips right here. Okay, what I'll do is in the video at the end, I'll take some pictures too. If we can, we'll see how that works out. Okay, and then simply, like this. Okay, then we're going to push this through. Okay, now there's another piece that slides underneath here. It looks like an L coming out. It's an L bracket, right? You slide it back. You see it right there? Okay, and that's the screw I was talking about, a Phillips, okay? So now we've got this released from this right here. Next, we're going to do this. We're going to turn this like this, and you're going to see that there's some Phillips screws here, right? They're a little tricky getting back in, but I've done this several times. It can definitely be done. So I find this is the easiest way. There may be some other ways. This is the way I've always done it, and I've been successful with it several times, taking this door panel off. So I'm going to keep doing it this way. So we carry on. Let's see here. There's 1, 2, 3. Looks like 4 screws here. Okay, so let's take that off. And with these old cars, try to use power tools as little as possible. Try to do everything you can by hand. I'm going to break that rule here shortly when I take the main bolts off. But, you know, I've been doing this for a long time, so I have what they call finesse, okay?
Oh, yes, there's something you need to go to a Pontiac for.
Well, what's going on, brother? How you doing, man? Am I on your way? Oh, nice. Oh, okay. I bet you that came in handy, huh? Okay, then these things right here, they're going to pop out. Like so. Slide. Then there's going to be a 10 millimeter in either one of the holes.
But you know what, I looked at.
Now in my case, one of them is an 8, so but yours should be a 10 unless they've been taken apart before. Okay, there's one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who took it?
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay. There's 2. Okay, last one. Okay, so all the screws are removed. Okay, we're going to take these and pry them off. Oop, don't drop them like that, though. Okay, like that. Okay, now we're going to pop it loose. Yeah, so I gotta use this.
Yeah. I also have to check whether the chain is went through. I might have to reinforce them too.
Yeah, that's fine. And what I'll do is I'll pop them all off too as well.
You know, it's cardboard, you know.
Yeah, sure is.
So
I
a
know.
lot of times it makes those things wear out a little bit. You know how
Oh yeah.
get fiberglass resin put on it.
Nice.
And steel cars will rock.
Hey. here. All right.
They got bolts right on that center console too, don't they?
That's correct. 3 of them.
Yeah. Yep.
All right. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh yeah. I will take that off.
Yeah, that helps.
Okay. There we go.
Oh, that's always fun, popping door panels.
Oh yeah.
How's the cardboard looking? How do you get it off?
It's not terrible. You'll see here in a second. Let's put it this way: it still holds the door panel on pretty tight, but get a little bit of reinforcing definitely
I'll reinforce it.
is not gonna hurt.
Hell, sometimes they were so bad. I used to take
You got to route this out, all out, by the way.
I used to take the padding off the back here
Uh huh.
and fiberglass whole damn thing.
Well, I'll tell you what. Putting that's another thing I'll do too is, and you don't have to. I can do it myself when the door panel is finished painted. Is I'm gonna put new jute on the back of this. Because that's the other thing I want to do is I want to replace all the jute in this car to get rid of that old car smell.
You know, it'd be even better to put sound bed in there.
I'm doing that too. I've already done the trunk. Okay, don't forget about this plug right here too, for the little bitty light. You definitely don't want to break that. See it right there? There she is. Okay, what we can do.
Yeah, you can see the bottom one there needs some work. See down there?
Yep.
Down the bottom?
Yep.
It needs a little bit of work. Yep.